All right, guys, today we're doing Dave Matthews Band, Ants Marching. So let's get to it. Here we go right at the top of the board there. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. If you want, we can even add the which is that little, bass part, da-da-dum, da-da-dum. I think it's a little more complicated, but definitely doable for those of you who are dedicated to, playing it. And none of the rest of it is that hard. I don't think is that, as far as the rhythm, syncopation, and stuff. But here's the free part 1 that I do on YouTube. And as always, the rest of the lessons for this will be on my website, webpianoteacher.com. I also transcribe a lot of the harmonica and fiddle parts that are on this song. So you can play those on piano too, so it's kind of a unique arrangement. I think you guys will like. All right, so at the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. So there's that, open space in there, which what you need. So you don't want to start off with this. Da-da-da, da-da-da. We'll start off with the D chord, D, F sharp, A, D, 1, 2, 3, 5. A little reminder again, if you are a member of the website, you can download my sheets for this. This is just a little part of it. The sheets are very extensive. And they're great to help you with your practice. You can print them out or just download them and, mark them up. Some of you like to do that. So D chord, D, F sharp, A, D, D on the left hand. And I'm not going to worry about the little writing yet. 1, 2, 3. Now, the harmonica has a way of going wow, wow, can do blues notes very easily, little slide ups from other notes. And so we're kind of emulating that as the fiddle is playing that D on top. So we have E, A, D with 1, 3, 5, and I'm going to flip to F sharp with my 2 finger. Like that. So 1, 2, 3. Now you could just go 1, 2, 3. You could do that, but I like the 1, 2, 3. And it's not really a blues. We'd have an F, an E sharp, but just a regular E. 1, 2, 3. Dun, dun. And it's on the offbeat. You feel that? 1, 2, 3. And 1. 1, 2, 3. All right, so the next chord we have is D, G, A, D, 1, 2, 3, 5. Left hand on a G, 1, 2, 3. So I'll play these two again. And again, not worrying about the little writing. 1, 2, 3. Then I'll come back to my first chord. And I'll give it that little flip from the E to the F sharp. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. So this again is the D, G, A, D. Left hand on a G octave. 2, 3. So you just call that a suspension. It never resolves. Well, I guess it does. It does resolve. It resolves when we go back to the D. All right, so the whole thing. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. You could even play the octave again if you want to go 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Now, on the recording, on the YouTube video that I'm going off of, which is the original album version, there's no bass here. I'm just playing it now because sometimes on piano we just want to have a bass in there. 2, 3. So you can play it leaving it out like I have. 2, 3. I think that's more authentic. Okay. Now, adding the left hand, that's going to be a little more involved, and we'll do that in part 2 on webpianoteacher.com. I'll show you how to count it, how to put the left hand in there, and also the rest of the song. This is going to be like, 7 lessons or something like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this part 1 to get you started, and see you on webpianoteacher.com.